Killbear Provincial Park has been on our list of places to visit for as long as I can remember. So this year, as the fall colors were starting to pop, we figured there's no better time than now.
That's good.
Hi, beautiful.
Today we're making a visit to Killbear Provincial Park, which is in Ontario, just south of the city of Sudbury, just north of the Muskokas. This is the location of what many consider to be Canada's most photographed tree, which is this windswept pine that is right about here, and you'll see this in everything from posters to t-shirts to marketing material and everything. And it's such a beautiful spot on the gorgeous granite bedrock that makes up so much of Georgian Bay. And the tree is actually caused by the westerly winds coming off of Georgian Bay, and just over decades and decades this tree is just kind of curved off away from the wind, and it's just hanging on to the small bit of soil here on the bedrock here, and it's just absolutely incredible. After checking out the iconic Killbear Tree, we are off on our first Killbear hike, the beautiful Lighthouse Point Trail. We're hiking on the Lighthouse Trail, or the Lighthouse Point Trail here at Killbear Provincial Park. And the landscape here is really awesome. You can really see how the rocks just seem to be jutting out of the water. And it's a perfect example of what?
Plate tectonics.
Plate tectonics, that's right. It's really cool. The Lighthouse Point Trail is a loop, but you can almost look at it as two different hikes. If you take the route on the right, you'll be scrambling over some rocks and getting some magnificent views. If you head to the one on the left, you'll take the easy route past the Lighthouse Point Beach. Twin Points Trail takes a route over some of the rolling red granite that really gives Georgian Bay its iconic look. The trail is also a popular spot for bears. Bears would swim from the points to the nearby islands to take the shortest route possible. This is actually how Killbear Provincial Park got its name. Twin Points Trail is really pretty. Like even with the rain that's been coming down on us, which I think has finally stopped now. I mean, it's really gorgeous. You go through the forest, and then every once in a while you kind of get through these breaks where it's just, flat, bare bedrock, with a few trees that are barely hanging on to what little soil is in the ground. Really gorgeous. After a night of camping, we woke up early to tackle the final hiking trail at Killbear Provincial Park, the 3.5 kilometer Lookout Point Trail. We just reached the end of the Lookout Trail hike here in Killbear Provincial Park, and it's gorgeous. I mean, the hike itself is pretty easy, but really picturesque. You kind of wind through a whole bunch of wetlands, especially now during the fall. All the ferns are just taking on all these incredible colors, from browns and reds and yellows, and the whole place just kind of pops with color. And then once you get here, then you've got the incredible Georgian Bay views, which are just
Incredible.
just beautiful. Yeah, I mean, there's sailboats going by, and you can see people's cottages and islands, and just a little bit of color coming up in the early fall. And then, yeah, I'm really happy we came out here, and we managed to get all 3 trails at Kilbear done in just over a day. So, all right. It only took 1 day for Killbear Provincial Park to become one of our favorite parks in Ontario. If you've been here, drop a comment below and tell us about your experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video if you want to see more of our family travel videos. See you next time on Wandering Waggers.